Our train defector had information about Zor's next big move. It's something called the Death Engine, and you must get more intel on it before it's put to use. We're sending you just outside Madrid to infiltrate a Zoraxis facility, retrieve information on the Death Engine, and get out alive. Good luck. Well done sneaking in. We know that Death Engine intel is somewhere in here. Not that I worry about Zor's collection, but do try not to make too much noise.
Welcome, Dr. Zor.
You were Zor all along. Seriously though, remember what you're after, Agent. It's the Death Engine. Ah, the purring of a combination lock mechanism. Unmistakable. Sometimes I do miss field work.
Unauthorized Death Engine use. Notifying security personnel. Lockdown mode engaged. Notifying security personnel. Targeting New York City. Death and targeting Zone Po 10. Targeting Madrid. Arming the Death imminent threat detected. Engaging evacuation.
That's the intel we need. Now, find a way to get it out of there intact.
Open up!
Chair launch sequence initialized.
We're getting in there
5,
one way or another!
4, 3,
Come on, let's get the
One.
hive mind!
liftoff.
Outstanding work, Agent. Our extraction team is standing by as you figure out how to land your flying armchair. Well done retrieving the Death Engine intelligence, Agent. Now, we just have to wait for it to be Now, it's already in the door slot. Looks like the team in decryption is taking their job seriously, unlike someone I know.